Hi everyone, in this video guide I'm going to show you how you can get the old Maximise feature back that you used to get on earlier versions of macOS. It's probably easier if I get the Finder window up to show you what I mean. Now, anyone who's familiar with macOS, they'll know that the three dots that we see at the top of a Finder window in this example, but you also see them in other apps as well. You'll know that the red one obviously closes the window or the app. The yellow one will minimize the window of the app to the dock, like so. Now, before Yosemite was released, the green button used to perform it's a Maximise feature. But with Yosemite, Apple have changed that slightly. They've given it sort of like a two feature option, which I'll get onto a little bit later. But its main feature, if you just click on it now, it'll take you to full screen, either in this Finder window or in an app. And again, if we press the green dot, it'll take us back to the size we were on. Now, prior to Yosemite being released, the green button used to have a different feature. It used to be Maximise, and to get full screen in earlier versions of macOS, the full screen button used to be about here on the top right hand side. Now, a lot of people like the minimize feature. Some people like the full screen feature, but you can have the best of both worlds as well, because Apple have designed the green button now, well, the green dot now, to have two features. Now, to get back to the old Maximise feature of the green dot, all we do is we simply press and hold the Option key on our keyboard, and you'll notice now, before I press the Option key, you can just make out there's like two little arrows facing away from each other. Now, if I press the Option key, and you'll be able to see what key it is, it'll appear at the bottom of the screen in this video. If I press the Option key now and I move the arrow over it, you can see that the symbol's changed on the green dot, and it's now a plus symbol, which is basically what it used to be in earlier versions of macOS. So if I click on the green dot now, you can see that it will maximize the window and also return it to a slightly smaller size, which is basically the exact same thing it used to do prior to Yosemite being released. So you can see there. Now, when you want to go back to the full screen feature of the green dot, you simply just take your finger off the Option key and you just press the green dot with your mouse arrow, and you can see there it gets you back to full screen, and you move up to the top of the screen to get the green dot appearing again. Click on the green dot again and it'll return you to the size that we were on. So again, to get Maximise feature back, press the Option key, keep it pressed in, move your mouse arrow to the green dot, tap it, and as you can see there, it'll maximise and minimise it. Well, I think that about covers it all for this video guide. I hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.